Welcome to the 8th grammar lesson. In this video, we are going to cover various types of pronouns. Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. Mira. Namaste आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today we are going to cover other parts of pronoun. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Before we deep dive into the other parts of the pronouns, let's recap what we have covered so far. So we have already talked about personal pronoun, and if you guys haven't watched the video yet, then I encourage you to go back and watch it. And what I will do is I'll put the link in the description box and even in the I button, which you can see above this. So let's continue and move forward, and we are going to cover these pronouns today: indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, intensive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. So let's go one by one. First one is indefinite pronoun. So what is indefinite pronoun? It is used in a situation where we do not want to indicate exact person, place, or thing. Let's take some example to make things clear. Anybody, anyone, nobody, every, all, some, enough, many, much. So as you can see, not even a single word denotes any specification or any specific target. Let's take some sentence example to make things even more clearer. Somebody ate my waffle. Here somebody, like who? We don't know the specific person, but somebody ate it. Let's take another example. Everyone says he is intelligent. And who is everyone here? We don't know. No, like, it can be anyone. Let's take final example and it will make things clearer and it will be a question mark, so it will make more sense. Does anyone knows what's happening here? Here the question is being asked to anyone. So there is no specific person is being targeted. So guys, remember, if we do not want to project or pinpoint any specific person, place or thing, we use indefinite pronoun. Now let's talk about the another one, relative pronoun. So what is relative pronoun? It is used for nouns which are mentioned previously. They may be person, place, thing or idea. It can be used to join two sentences. Let's take some example to make things clearer. Who, which, whom, whomever, where. Let's take some sentence examples to make things even more clearer. The swimmer who won the race trained hard. Who won the race? The swimmer. So it is used to mention the noun which was mentioned previously. Let's take another example. The detective needed detail that could help identify the victim. Here that is used as the conjunction to join two sentences. The detective needed detail that could help identify the victim. Let's take another example. This is the place where we met. Where. Here where is being used in a way to make the sentence continuous. So this is all about relative pronoun. Now let's go and understand what is intensive pronoun. It emphasizes a noun or pronoun. They provide more importance to a sentence. Let's take some example. Himself, herself, yourself, themselves, ourselves. Let's take some sentence example to make things even more clearer. She herself is responsible for situation. Here, she is being denoting as herself because she is only responsible for situation. Radhika sewed her dress herself. Here, herself is to give importance to Radhika. Let's take final example. We built a garden by ourselves. Here, garden isn't built by ourselves, so it adds more value to the sentence. So this is all about intensive pronoun. Let's demonstrative pronoun. So what is demonstrative pronoun? pointing something specific within a sentence. They represent a thing near or far in distance or time. Let's take some example. This, that, there, those. Let's take some sentence example to make things even more clearer. This is a buffalo. Here, this is being denoted as demonstrative pronoun. These are my books. Here, these are being denoted as demonstrative pronoun because it denotes books, specific stuff. There are people standing in queue. So there are, like there is being used as a demonstrative pronoun to showcase that people are standing in queue. So this is all about demonstrative pronoun. Let's dive into this last second of today's video, or various type of pronoun. That's interrogative pronoun. What is interrogative pronoun? It is used to begin a question. It is used to make asking question very easy. Let's take some example. What, which, who, whom, whose. Let's take some sentence example to make things even more clearer. Who are you? Who is being used to ask a question. Which is your favorite color? Which is used to ask a question. What do you do? What is used to ask a question about the profession or anything about the career. So let's understand the final type of pronoun. That's reflexive pronoun. So what is reflexive pronoun? They are object pronoun that we use when the subject and object use the same noun. It ends in self or selves. So let's take some example to make things clearer. Himself, herself, yourself, itself. Let's take some sentence examples to make things even more clearer. I ask to myself to calm down. Here, myself is a reflexive pronoun where I is the subject. She baked a cake herself. Herself is a reflexive pronoun and she is a subject and cake is the object. You should always believe in yourself. Yourself is a reflexive pronoun and you is the subject. So this is pretty much of the video, guys. Now let's revise what we have covered today. We covered various types of pronoun and here are their examples so you can easily understand using this chart. So personal is I, me, he, she, it, they. Indefinite, anybody, every, some. Relative, who, whom, which, that, whose. Intensive, himself, ourselves, themselves. Demonstrative, this, that, these, those, such. Interrogative, what, who, whom, which, whose. And relative, himself, herself, myself, yourself. So this is pretty much of the video, guys. I hope I was able to add value. And thank you so much for watching my video and tuning today. And if you guys feel I was able to add value, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning from. And if you guys have any doubts or any question related to any particular videos on grammar lesson which I am sharing with all of you, then feel free to reach out to me through YouTube or even my Instagram. You can see the handle right here. You can DM me and I'll try to answer each one of your questions. So I'll see you next week again with another grammar lesson. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी.